After having Workspace, we proceed to manually add analytical data for X accounts in Workspace. Select the Social Accounts menu. Select the X tab screen. Select the Add New Account function. Enter the account name. Next, select the Raw Data menu. Select the X tab. Select the account that needs to manually add analytical data. There are two ways to manually add data. One is to create each value row by row. The other is to import multiple data at once. Now we will try to create each value row by row first. Proceed to select Add. The type field will include data such as post, following, engagement, follower, and awareness through mention. Select the data types that need to be added manually. After successfully creating a data row, continue to create data for other values. The engagement field will have variations such as like and retweet. You need to enter the corresponding values for those variations. I will continue to manually add other values. The follower field will have variations such as gender, the country. You need to enter the corresponding values for those variations. If the data is selected on the same day for statistics, the system will only display one row containing the values of that day. You can edit the entered values. Select the Unlock function to unlock the data. Proceed to edit the values of the related fields. If you select Edit Type as Overwrite, the previous data will be deleted and replaced with the data added at this time. For example, on November 3, 2024, you have 100 awareness through mentions. If you edit the value with Edit Type as Overwrite, and the value is 80, then on November 3, 2024, you will have 80 awareness through mentions. If you select Edit Type as Add, the data will be added to the corresponding field. For example, November 3, 2024, you have 80 awareness through mentions. If you edit the value with Edit Type as Add and the value as 10, then on November 3, 2024, you will have 90 awareness through mentions. Next, we will try to import multiple data at the same time. Select the Import function on the screen. Select the Download, a sample function to download the file containing the import fields to your computer. Here is a sample file for your reference. The type field will include data such as post, following, engagement, follower, and awareness through mention. You must enter the exact names of these types for the system to be able to create data successfully. The follower field will have variations such as gender and country, so you need to enter the variations in the corresponding columns. The engagement field will have variations such as like and retweet, so you need to enter the variations in the corresponding columns. The columns behind in the file, such as age, language, reaction, post type, stories performance, subscriber, device, and status, you do not need to care about when importing data for X, because these are the variation columns of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Please note, please enter the variations of the types correctly in the columns with the names of the variations. After editing the import file, select the account to import data, then select File, select Import. The system will notify you when you import successfully or fail. The edited values will be displayed in red. Now we will go to the X Analytics screen to see how the data is displayed on the statistics. You can switch to other workspaces to view statistics. You can also filter the statistics by time and account in the workspace. Here are all the X statistics. Each value you entered is used in the charts. Each chart will tell you different meanings such as total followers, total following, total posts, total retweets, total engagements, daily audience growth, published posts, with engagement, awareness through mentions, etc.